Using Amazon Prime Visa Extended Warranty is a straightforward process that provides additional protection for your purchases. To start, you must be an Amazon Prime member and have an Amazon Prime Visa card. The extended warranty is automatically applied to eligible purchases made with your card, and it adds 1 year to the standard manufacturer warranty. First, make sure you have an eligible purchase, which typically includes items such as electronics, appliances, and other products with a manufacturer warranty. Next, review your purchase receipt or the product description on Amazon to confirm that the item is eligible for the extended warranty. If your item is eligible, the extended warranty will be automatically applied to your purchase, and you will receive an email from Amazon with the warranty details. You can also view the warranty information in your Amazon account by going to the Order Details page. To file a claim under the extended warranty, contact the Amazon Prime Visa card issuer, who will guide you through the process. You will typically need to provide proof of purchase, the product serial number, and a description of the issue with the item. It is essential to keep your purchase receipts and product documentation, as you will need this information to file a claim. Additionally, be aware of the warranty period, as claims must be made within the extended warranty timeframe. Best practices for using the Amazon Prime Visa Extended Warranty include regularly reviewing your purchase history to ensure that eligible items have the warranty applied, and keeping track of the warranty expiration dates for each item. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of the extended warranty, you can enjoy added peace of mind and protection for your Amazon purchases.